Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 2nd, 2018, and I have some watermelon seeds here. Now this is a Blacktail Mountain variety. It's supposed to be superb in northern climates. So we're going to test it out here and see how it does for us. I'm in Pennsylvania, and we do get unpredictable weather sometimes. So I'm curious to see how this one does for us up here. So I'm going to be planting them. Okay, first of all, I have these soaking in neem oil, and I used it's 1 teaspoon of neem oil to 1 liter of water. And the reason why I'm soaking these in here is because to kill any type of anthracnose, any type of disease or blight that might be on them. Now, this won't kill viruses if a virus would be on them. There's nothing that I know of that kills that you can soak your seeds in. But I just wanted to soak them in here to try and get rid of anything that might be on them. I'm swirling it around here, making sure it's all nice and coated on them. And they've been soaking for a little while now. So I have my newspaper pots here that I made, and I'll leave a link down below for how I made them, and I'll leave a link for the tool that I used to make them. And I filled them with regular Miracle-Gro potting mix. Now you can choose if you want to use seed starting mix outdoors, but I will tell you it dries out really quick, and it's really dry and hot up here. So and the wind's blowing, so that's drying stuff out even more. So here's one of my watermelon seeds, and these can be larger than this. They can be black, all black. These are kind of like a brownish, orangish brown color. So I'm just going to plant one in here. And I should have had my watermelon seeds planted a while ago, but unfortunately I got a little behind. You can start them right out in your garden, but I want to give them a good start here. And I already have my potting mix already pre-made wet. And then what I'll be doing is I'll be taking the neem oil solution, and once I get all the seeds out of there, and I'll be pouring some over here, which I'll show you how to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I got all of those watermelon seeds planted. And I'm going to take more of the neem oil solution here that I mixed up, and I'm going to just pour it over top. And Blacktail Mountain, whoops, if your seed comes out, put it back in. I'm sorry about the wind. I don't dare try and put the camera right now on a tripod because that would just be completely disastrous. So I'm trying to hold it here and show you what I'm doing. I'm going to go through then and do the rest I'm going to go through, sorry about that, and give the rest of them the neem oil solution. And as soon as they start coming up, that I see that they're coming up, I'll go ahead and give them a second dose of the neem oil solution, the 1 teaspoon of neem oil concentrate to 1 liter of water. And just to make sure that we're okay. And Blacktail Mountain is actually an heirloom. I've never tried it before. I'm really excited to try it this year. I'm also going to be trying Charleston Gray, which is another heirloom. I'm going to be trialing Jubilee, which is another heirloom. I'm going to be trialing the Sugar Baby, the bush type, and the vining type. And I have some other ones then. I'm debating if I'm going to be trying those as well, because I have a pretty good selection of watermelon seeds to choose from this year. So as soon as these start coming up, I'll come back with another video and I'll show you. Now what I'm going to do with this one is these are in clear plastic trays, and they used to be salad trays. So we punched holes in the top and punched holes in the bottom for drainage. And I'm going to snap this shut. I'm going to put it out in the sun, because this is going to act like a mini greenhouse. It's really going to heat these up. And being that the seeds were pre-chilled in the refrigerator, I took the pack of seeds and I had it in a Ziploc bag. And that's actually where I'm storing my watermelon seeds at, because it helps your seeds to last longer. And I took them out what I needed, and I soaked them in the neem oil solution, and then I planted them. So being that they got that cold chill, it should make the seeds come up faster. And it's been so hot up here that I really hoping they come up pretty quick. You can direct sow these into the ground, but I haven't always had too much luck with that. I did better when I would start them and then transplant them into the ground. And watermelons don't transplant well, so that's why we're using the biodegradable newspaper pots, because we'll just plant the whole thing then. So there'll be no transplant shock or anything like that. Shouldn't be, because we're not going to be taking them out of like a plastic container. We're not going to be disturbing the root system. And it worked before when I used the egg crates, but I didn't really care for them too much. I prefer like newspaper pots. So as soon as these start coming up, I'll come back with another video and I'll show you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.